Hi, this is Farhan and welcome back to another video. The price of XRP is so heavily tied to this Ripple lawsuit that a victory or a defeat is going to have a major impact on the price and obviously XRP investors out there. Not just the XRP investor, but the overall crypto world is going to be affected by this Ripple lawsuit. Now, if you're a subscriber on my channel, I've talked previously that I want to give honest and unbiased opinions. I don't want to fall into this crypto YouTube, which is plagued by this hopium factor where they only talk about the good things, they don't talk about the negative aspects as well. And I don't want to have this tribal mentality, only talking about just one crypto or just saying that one crypto is good and everything else is bad. So this is actually bad, but in my videos I want to give this unbiased opinion. So keeping with that, I want to talk about what will happen to the price of XRP if Ripple loses this case. Now, I do know that every passing week, the case that has been put forward by the SEC against Ripple, it does get weaker and weaker, and the hand that the Ripple is playing, it does get stronger. But there is still a chance that Ripple can lose this case, which will have a major impact on the price of XRP. So in today's video, we will be doing that. But before that, let's take a quick look at the price of XRP and the short-term XRP price prediction based on moving averages and technical indicators. The price of XRP is trading at $0.56, $0.57 today, up above 2% from yesterday and more than 10% from 1 week ago. So the price of XRP is in the green zone here. Now, if you're looking at the daily chart here, the summary stands at a strong buy. Both the moving averages and the technical indicators are saying that the price of XRP is at a strong buy, and obviously the very important RSI indicator here shows a buy position. And if you're talking about the weekly position, the summary is also a strong buy. Both the moving averages and technical indicators are in the green zone, and also the RSI stands at a green position. We have seen the price of XRP at this strong summary for quite some time. It seems that the price of XRP is going to do good. Now, if you're looking at the monthly position, the summary here is also a strong buy, but the RSI indicator is at a neutral position. Now, the price of XRP does need to cross the $0.58 level to move towards that first major overhead resistance, which stands at $0.65. And if that is crossed, the price of XRP is expected to do really good. Having said all of this, I also do want to remind you guys that moving averages and technical indicators should only be used for informational purposes only, and these can be wrong at times. So do keep that in mind. So what will happen to the price of XRP if Ripple loses this case? And is there a chance of settlement? In fact, this exact question was asked to Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, in a very recent interview with Bloomberg. Let's take a look at that.
So is there a chance of a settlement? And what happens if you lose?
So look, I'm hopeful that as a new administration comes into the SEC, there's an opportunity to revisit some of those conversations. As you may know and may recall, Jay Clayton, as the chair of the SEC, the day before he left office, he brought this lawsuit against Ripple and against me personally, against Chris Larsen personally. And, we don't think that made a lot of sense, given that XRP had been trading in the marketplace for 8 years. Literally nearly $1 trillion of XRP has traded out there. And so to do that the day before he leaves his position, right a couple days before Christmas, I think was misguided. And as Mary Jo White, the former head of the SEC, has said publicly, that she views this as a dead wrong. The SEC is dead wrong on this decision. I'm hopeful with Gary Gensler, the new chair, likely new chair of the SEC, likely to be confirmed here in a couple of weeks. There's an opportunity to have a conversation with that new leadership as he brings his team in on what can be done that's constructive for Ripple and really for the whole crypto industry, to provide that clarity and allow people to participate in these markets and to build companies around these technologies.
So basically, he said a lot of things, but he didn't really answer the question. But what he was trying to imply here, that, hey, look, we are not going to lose this case. We have a very strong case against the SEC. But as you guys already know, that Ripple does have a chance that they're going to lose this case. In fact, in a previous video of mine, I have given an exact price prediction for XRP on what will happen if Ripple loses this case, what will the price be, which I will be linking in the description box so you can check it out there. But if Ripple loses this case, we are going to see immediate effects to the price of XRP. Now, obviously, the price of XRP is going to drop, but I feel one of those big biggest impact that XRP price is going to be that it will fall out of the top 10 cryptos in the world. Now, this is actually much more dangerous than simply a price drop for XRP. You see, whenever investors are looking at investing into crypto, they're always looking at these top cryptos, their top 5, top 10. It is very important to be there. That's why Bitcoin is doing so good, because it is at the top position. That's where a lot of institutional investors and general investors invest in Bitcoin, because they expect that this is the safe one. Now, top 10 is also a good position to be in, which currently XRP is. But if XRP is dropped out of this top 10 position, I think that the price of XRP, the recovery for the price of XRP is going to be very, very hard. Now, we should also keep in mind, what does a lose case actually mean for Ripple? Does Ripple have to pay a fine and simply walk away? I think that would be a really good outcome for Ripple, the company. Or the lose case means that Ripple is no longer allowed to sell XRP from its escrow. That would mean that the development of XRP would really be hampered. Now, having said all of this, I do want to remind you guys that the price of XRP, in my opinion, I don't think it will go to zero. Now, assuming that Ripple, the company, somehow dies tomorrow, XRP will still be there. The XRP will still be there. It doesn't really need Ripple, the company. But obviously, Ripple needs to be there for a major development of Ripple and XRP as well. So it's very important for Ripple to be there. But if Ripple is not there, XRP price is not really going to go zero, because it is still going to function independently. This makes me come to my next point, that the utility of XRP is still going to be there. And this was explained very well by Brad Garlinghouse in the same Bloomberg interview. Let's take a quick look.
We at Ripple use the XRP ledger because it's extremely fast, and it's about 100,000 times more energy efficient than Bitcoin. So in that context, it works really well for payments. And the reason why we've had so much success gaining customers and continue to scale our business, even in the face of this SEC lawsuit, has been because it works. It solves a real problem, it scales well, and the cost efficiencies are very real.
This is why I believe that even a lose case scenario for Ripple does not mean the end of XRP. Well guys, this was the video for today. Let me know what are your thoughts regarding a lose case scenario for Ripple and how this will impact the price of XRP. I'm really interested in knowing what are your thoughts, so do drop a comment below, because I do love reading all your comments. And also guys, if you have a video suggestion, if you want to know something about a specific crypto, I would also love to hear from you guys as well, because a lot of these videos are based on the comments that I received from you guys. So make sure you comment below. Well guys, that was the video for today. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and giving this video a like, so the YouTube algorithm will recommend you my videos. And as always, I will see you next time.